Coming to type of epithelium, this model is of simple squamous variety. The side view is fish scale like, and the surface view is polygonal, that it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So it is polygonal in shape, having the flat central nucleus, oval nucleus, scanty cytoplasm, and it is single layered. That's why simple. And squamous, that is flat. Okay, and when we look at by the electron microscopy, it just appear bead on a string, and here the bead is nuclear. It look like scumble. So the example is cavity, that is the serous cavity, pleural, pericardial, and the peritoneal cavity. M for mucous membrane of the heart, that is endocardium. B for Bowman's capsule, that is the parietal layer of Bowman's capsule, and the blood vessel. L for lymphatics, lung alveoli, and the thin segment of loop of Henle. Coming to simple cuboidal type. As its name itself says, simple means single layer, and cuboidal, that is cuboidal in shape, but by its side view, and the surface view is hexagonal, and it has got a spherical nucleus at the center, spherical or round nucleus at the center, the middle amount of cytoplasm. The maximum will be in the columnar type. It just appear railway track, having the nucleus intervening at the regular interval. And the example is simple cuboidal is rocket launch. Rocket launch, that is the pigment epithelium of the retina. O for germinal epithelium of the ovary. C for choroidal plexus. K for proximal convoluted, distal convoluted, and the collecting tubule of the kidney. E for exocrine gland, the minor duct, and T for thyroid follicular cell active stage. Okay. Now coming to simple columnar type. Here the cells are tall, and the nucleus is oval, and it lies at the base in its lower 1/3, and it is single layered. So simple columnar, and it is found in the. Actually, it is of 3 variety. With the apical modification, these two are having apical modification, and this is without any apical modification. Without apical modification, secrete mucus or enzyme. With apical modification, either there may be cilia or microvilli. The cilia, which is of 1 millimeter length, 10 micron to 1 millimeter length, and the microvilli up to the 1 micron length. And it is motile, the cilia, and microvilli does not move. Okay, and it propel the substance, whereas the microvilli increases the surface area for absorption. The cilia, ciliated type of simple columnar variety, it is found in the ciliated off, that is the central canal of a spinal cord and the fallopian tube. Whereas the microvilli again divided into 2 types. Here you can see the toothbrush having the striated border, and this one is brush border. Brush border, that regularly irregular arrangement. The striated border, State Bank of India, that it present in the small intestine and the large intestine. BB, brush border, good in GK, so gallbladder and the proximal convoluted tubule of kidney. Okay, now coming to pseudo-stratified columnar. Here the cells, all cells lies on the basement membrane, which is made up of 2 layers. This flimsy layer, this signifies the basal lamina, which is derived from the epithelial tissue itself, and the below this the brown substance, brown paper, this signifies reticular lamina, which is derived from the connective tissue beneath. Okay, and the few cells reaches the luminal surface and few doesn't. This is basal cell. This is known as, this pink one is the basal cell, and these are the cells which reaches up to lumen, and it is divided into CNS. This world is full of pseudo people, and to understand this we have got CNS. So ciliated, these two are ciliated. this is non-ciliated, and this is stereocilia. Pseudostratified with ciliated is present in upper respiratory tract. With the stereocilia, it is present in Eid. Stereo, that is the music system, and one of the festival is Eid. So epididymis, inner ear, and the ductus deferens. And the non-ciliated, nun who devotes her life for others, and it can be someone's patni, someone's sister, and someone's mother. So PSM, prostate, seminal vesicle, and the male urethra, except the distal one. Now coming to stratified squamous. Here the stratified, that is multi-layered, but the basal cell is cuboidal in nature, then comes polygonal, and then the superficial ones is only squamous variety, that is flat. So basal cell, these are basal layer, these are deeper layer, and this is superficial layer. And also the surface view is hexagonal. It is of two types, that is keratinized and non-keratinized. Keratinized having the keratin layer, keratin, that is one scleroprotein, and that is horny, that is enucleated and dead. Enucleated, that means having no nucleus. Okay, so keratinized type, it is just, it seems like skin. So A skin, anal canal, and skin, epidermis of skin. And non-keratinized type, just comb your hair and sit down in your house. So non-keratinized, A comb, anal canal, C for conjunctiva, that is bulbar conjunctiva, O for esophagus, M for mouth, that is oral cavity, and B very much sounds like V. So vulva and vocal cord. So this is of stratified squamous variety. Now coming to stratified cuboidal. Here the deeper layer is of cuboidal in nature. The basal layer is cuboidal in nature. Then deeper layer is cuboidal, again cuboidal, and the superficial ones are also cuboidal. Stratified cuboidal. It doesn't seems like a stone behind which one soldier is hiding behind it, and it is none other than the major of an army personnel. So major duct of the exocrine gland. And this is stratified columnar. Here the basal layer is of cuboidal in nature, and the deeper layer again cuboidal, and the superficial ones are columnar. So this is stratified columnar variety, and it looks like Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is found in UP. So male urethra, distal urethra, and the P is for palpebral conjunctiva, as well as the fornicial conjunctiva. Now coming to transitional epithelium. There is a transition in between the 4 to 6. When it gets stretched, it is 2 to 3 layer, and when it is in contracted phase, it is 4 to 6 layer. It is having many peculiarity, that the layers are the basal layer, deeper layer, superficial layer. It is CPU, just like the central processing unit of a computer. So it is cuboidal in nature. The deeper layer is polygonal, and the superficial one is umbrella. This umbrella type of cells are present, which is binucleated. And every cell is attached to the basal lamina by the intermediate filament. These wires, yellow, blue, green, all are intermediate filament through which it is attached to the basal lamina. The reason why the cells do not disperse while in dilatation. Okay, and there is no reticular lamina, only basal lamina is there. And this clay, this signifies the presence of desmosome, that is the macula adherens in between the cells. So all the cells are attached with each other by the macula adherens. So it is of transitional variety and found in the dilated part of the urogenital system, also known as urothelium, and found in the major calyx, minor calyx, renal pelvis, ureter, and the urinary bladder. Thank you.